guys, welcome back to my channel. The holiday season is fast approaching and I'd like to share with you how to bake a vegan black forest cake. Now holiday time, there's a lot of eating, drinking, you know, friends coming in, family coming in and enjoying themselves, and we don't want to feel left out. So I'm going to show you something that you can do, you can bring to dinner or to brunch, and everybody can enjoy it. So let's get started. So to make black forest cake is a typical chocolate base, right guys, and it's a one-stage method. So you combine all your dry ingredients together to make this recipe. And so we're going to start by adding the salt. You don't have to sip the salt, and I don't know why I did that. The baking soda, not powder, and your cocoa, and you sieve it to get rid of the lumps. Your sugar as well. You don't have to sieve your sugar. We're using some all-purpose flour, right? And we're gonna sieve it because I didn't do it earlier. So we're gonna do that. And you sieve your dry ingredients to get rid of the lumps, right? And this, guys, is 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Combining all our dry ingredients together so you can mix it up. I did this cake the other day, guys. It was so soft and fluffy, you know. Want to make sure everything is properly mixed together. And like I said, this is a one-stage mixing method, so you don't have to gradually combine your liquid ingredients. You can mix them in all at once, right? So we're adding all our liquid ingredients. Like I said, guys, it's a one-stage method, so it's okay to add all your ingredients. This is vinegar. It's okay to add all of your liquid ingredients at once, right? And oil. You see how nice the batter is looking, guys? So you may want to scrape the side. And you mix again, not for too long, because you don't want to over mix your batter, right? You want to evenly distribute your batter in 3 baking tins. Grease baking tin, right? We're going to bake this cake for 30 minutes or until you insert a skewer in the cake and it's dry, it's good. So remember now, the vinegar and the baking soda is what's going to help the cake to rise. This is a perfect chocolate cake recipe that can go with anything. Okay guys, so we're going to add it and get right back. Okay, so we're going to leave the cake to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. We don't want the cake to sweat underneath, so we're going to remove it. Guys, you can see how soft my cake is. Oh my god, I'm so proud. So to remove the cake from the tin, you're going to turn it over in your hands like this. See how easy that was? So we're also going to remove the paper and just put it down. Perfect. And you would do the same for this one, okay? Okay guys, our cake has cooled. So for the cream, for the whipped topping, I made my version of the whipped topping with coconut cream. I'll put the instruction in the link in the description, sorry. So we're going to add some cherry also on the cake. I did not make enough cream topping last night, so I'll maybe double it for you guys. So you're just going to add the cherry. You see how solid the cake is, right? Just going to put it on there. And I did not have any cherry brandy, so I'm just going to use some white rum on the top, right? Same procedure, add some cherries. Take your time, you're not in any rush, right? Just take your time because you don't want to break the cake. As you cut through the cake, you want to turn the turntable gradually, okay? I've also added like 3 tablespoons of rum to this as well, so we can have a little flavor on it. Okay guys, so I recommend before cutting the cake you put it in the freezer so it can harden a bit. There you have it guys, my vegan black forest cake. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video, and if you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to this video. Let me cut the cake so you guys can see how amazingly soft this cake is. Honestly, I'm not playing with you guys. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my cake, solid, soft, ready to eat. Let me show you guys how soft my cake is. I'm not kidding. Look at that. You can see that? This is so soft guys. If you give this recipe a try, please let us know. This is so good. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.